Hello everyone, my name is Sophie. Today my friend James and I are at the airport. We will teach you simple English sentences together.
Hi, I'm James. We're excited to teach you. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Let's begin.
James, we are at the airport. I am so excited. James, we are at the airport. I am so excited.
Me too, Sophie. Do you have your passport? Me too, Sophie. Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have it right here.
Great. Let's find the check-in counter. Great. Let's find the check-in counter. Good morning. We want to check in, please. Good morning. We want to check in, please.
Good morning. May I see your passports, please? Good morning. May I see your passports, please?
Here is my passport.
And here is mine. Do you have any bags to check? Do you have any bags to check?
Yes. I have one bag.
I have one bag too.
Sophie, put your bag on the scale. Sophie, put your bag on the scale.
Okay. Is my bag too heavy?
No, your bag is fine. No, your bag is fine.
I watch my bag go on the belt. I watch my bag go on the belt. Here are your boarding passes. Have a nice flight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Good. Now let's go to security. Good. Now let's go to security. Please remove your shoes and belt. Please remove your shoes and belt. Okay. I put my shoes and belt in the tray.
I put my phone and watch in the tray too. I put my phone and watch in the tray too. Please walk through the scanner slowly. Please walk through the scanner slowly.
Everything is fine. You may go. Everything is fine. You may go.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Have a good day. James, let's look at the departures board. James, let's look at the departures board.
Okay, our flight is on time. Okay. Our flight is on time.
Our gate is number 12. Our gate is number 12.
Let's walk to gate 12. Let's walk to gate 12.
It is not far. Come on, James.
Wait for me, Sophie!
Sophie, I am hungry. Let's get something. Sophie, I am hungry. Let's get something.
Good idea. I want a coffee and a sandwich. Good idea. I want a coffee and a sandwich. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you, James.
You are welcome, Sophie.
Attention please, all passengers for flight A12. Attention please, all passengers for flight A12.
Please go to gate 12 for boarding.
James, they're boarding. Let's go.
Yes, let's go!
James, that is our flight.
Let's go, Sophie! Quick!
I show my boarding pass to the staff. Welcome aboard. I show my boarding pass to the staff. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you, we will.
James, I found my seat. It is 23A.
My seat is 23B. We are together.
I put my bag in the overhead compartment. I put my bag in the overhead compartment.
I sit down and put on my seatbelt. I am ready for my flight.
This is so exciting, Sophie! Great job, everyone! We learned English at the airport today.
Practice every day. See you next time. Goodbye.